So we have finished up moving hives onto our new yard. This is called the Reed Place. Got 18 hives here. That's about what we've got at all of the new yards now at this point. Got a few more left to move. We'll scatter the remainder around. This is a good amount to move to start a new. If you're wanting to say a 40 hive yard, or you can do the math on whatever numbers you got, but we like to make a 40 hive yard, and sometimes more. But just say this being a 40 hive yard, moving 18, 15 to 20 hives. We will make fall splits above double screen boards starting next week. You'll be seeing that. And those will go on top of these hives and hopefully have one on each hive. So those will be very strong hives come spring, and we'll just bring more pellets in and set those off early spring to finish filling this yard up. So that'll be a whole yard. And then you've got your splits that we'll have to pull through the spring to keep these bees from swarming. So you'll also have all those to fill in holes with and take to other places. So those will start middle of March. So you don't have to move a whole yard at once if that's not what you want to do. It'll save you a lot of time, a lot of hauling, a lot of work. It makes it a lot easier just to haul part of the yard, a portion of it, and take your splits in the spring to finish it out. It's a lot easier process, and you can stretch your hives further into more yards this time of year. It's how we like to do it. I think it works out real good, and that's what we'll continue to do.